and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Central Reserve Police Force tries to restore Umpra River to its past glory. Where there's a will, there's a way. An inspiring story of a farmer. And prestigious school, the Pesselweed School Dehradun, seeks admission of Meghalaya students. And now the news in detail. The 67th Central Reserve Police Battalion deployed at Polo area in Shillong has pressed all its Jawans into social service to restore the highly polluted Umpra River in Shillong to its past glory. The crystal clear rivers with golden colored fishes have disappeared in recent years due to urbanization. The river has turned into one of the drains of the city. In effort to implement the civic action plan, the 67th CRPF Battalion has started cleaning this river for more than a month now, and the work to remove all the city garbage will continue for some more time before the setting of monsoon. The police force came up with the idea of cleaning the river because the barracks along the river are flooded with stinking water during summer. Speaking to the media, the commandant of 67th CRPF Battalion, Alok Bhattacharya, said that the police force brought the hydraulic excavator from Guwahati and now being used to remove the dirt from the river. Bhattacharya also said that the force also intends to plant saplings along the river as part of the beautification of the area.
And this is one of the initiatives that is part of this project. Secondly, we have this initiative called the Swachhata Abhiyan, which is carried out across the country. So, the garbage disposal is also part of our Swachhata Abhiyan initiative. So this is purely on our own, without budgetary support or whatever. This is.
On the other hand, the headman of Laumali Pillun, Bhalang Kongwir, said that the Dorbar Shnong has extended full cooperation to the CRPF to clean the river and also urged the public to restrain from throwing the garbage into the river.
Garbage from the locality wouldn't be dumped into the river. And actually, since we are having the municipal truck coming to pick up the garbage, we thought that our drain should not be that dirty or garbage. It should not be stuffed with garbage. But it seems there are some residents that still throw garbage into the drain, and that's why the river gets polluted and with a lot of garbage.
A prestigious school, the Pesselweed School of Dehradun, today sought admission of Meghalaya students, which provide not only high-quality education but sport activities as well. Addressed the media at the Shillong Press Club, the principal of the school, Dr. Prem Kashyap, said that the school is providing the best facilities for quality education, including personality development. Dr. Kashyap also said, school is providing education with CBSE syllabus. Meghalaya PWD Building Minister Sakyat Lamare, who spoke on the occasion, informed that he too studied in this school.
We are very lucky that we have almost about 160 students from all 7 states here, and we are very proud that Sakyat Lamare, who is the PWD Minister, Government of Meghalaya, he has been the student of the Pesselweed School. He studied there and passed out class 12th. He was a great sportsman. We have come here to honor our students who have been studying in Pesselweed School from 92 to 2019 there, and the board has selected him as the president of the Northeast Old Boys Association.
So I'm very happy that Sir is here with us. He has played a very important role in my life, to be honest. Back in days, yes, we have, when you're in school, your teachers, they say that they're your second parents. That is totally, it's 120% true. Personally, I feel, yes, all this, what I have now, I'm dealing with so many things, being a part of the government. School, Pesselweed College has played a very important role in that part of my life.
In the past few weeks, we have witnessed forest fire in the state. Today, one such incident took place in the nearby forest in Sora. The area that the forest fire was more are in Light Soplia and Sora Rim. Witnesses expressed fear since the fire was strong and 2 temporary roadside stalls were burned down with no casualty as such. It is said, where there is a will, there is a way. Today from Don Bosco Media, we bring to you an inspiring story of a farmer who, with very little education, turns out to be an educator of the masses in his field. This inspiring story took place in West Khasi Hills, a place far from the hustle-bustle of city life. Dr. Bremley W.B. Lingdor and his team from Hill Farmers Union toured around the state to bring out these inspiring lives to light. Shri Spingwell K. Mashra is a farmer specialized in his field that he was willing to share his knowledge to his children and to his fellow farmers. In his small plot of land, he reared bees for honey, and he even gives counseling for different skill-based trainings. His story is an inspiring one which could motivate other people who would only grumble of not getting a job, especially government job. According to Mashra, he lives to do farming. He loves what he does and he excels in his field. The only complaint he had is, there is very short supply of bottles since he needs them for storing wine, and with the economic crisis around the world being hit by the pandemic, he expressed, last year when everything was shut down, he took the situation as the opportunity to help his fellow farmers in guiding them about different ways of farming and cultivating styles which could multiply their produce in no time. The story of Bas Spingwell should not be kept for oneself, but should be spread to share positivity and in a way motivate one and all to work hard and be confident in their ability no matter what.
Happy New Year ma setenat banyak poi hari ni Shillong jong phi banyak iro iki jingri jingrap jong phi te ngawan lang ni ba Alfon nak HFU como senior advisor banyak penskam ni ka unit jong phi sinai te ngaku aban page kita ki jingtre jong phi na ihun ka men siam ni iba pila seng kan la ka jong ka Jakari ya kini ki ngap nang tapi pen mi ru yutet nang tapi snaru ka wine tengah kuat klik ke ka bapen ketik ya phi sedang bat meno kerja kene ke jingkela yang atep la arab do shuan de kene ke teknik jong phi ba pher ba ha ka west Khasi Hills bro ka we kai kawan nai kene ke jingkersiu ya phi yes mu itu le me kata
ka jingkersiu ka de kene namar nadu bastang ngalayat kum tuhi marwe ngam das mutu ba
anus na menshwa
nadu harjar kendai ngla sedang ne kam marwe ten rei mentate la yami bon kli but how new COVID-19 le ka dei ka kam ka bahe nga ling bat ka tu ka Indian Institute horti ni dulhi ling ba ka ni ka society hi te kini ki scientist ki ai chimud nga le kum ta nga don mentang ne West Khasi Hill but baro ki member jan baro ki ba hap ka nong stone block ki ba ngala tip arposan teli ki unit away ngala ai palat arpo arlak hantai posan haja away ki unit te PUE gini per bahajan baro ngale kani nang ta hamairang blok la don iwe I kongs im na monai neru ide iwe nong simenta bangala sam sampai na kani ka per jungai te ka jingmut ka long kata ka thim ne ka thong ka bangabu pat ngadak bu I jing ruai umre ban rep ban im ban rep kamut bakin ya le lang mane po
im ban rep
te kata ka de ka thong ka ba ngabe kum unong yalam jong ka HFU nong stone block pan ra sejrong ya ka ba nga snoburam me kineki ka central body ka bala ai jingmut bat ngalayo bane simenta arteli ki parliament nga song thu sai hadu katno ka song ka dor jong ka rep ka riang bat kham tam ha ka bakut ngan penkut sendon hakane ka snem markadai ka snem ka ba jenjar na kijing jenjar baro kiamat hau ne COVID-19 ten rei ha ka ying jonga ar phau ying ki long ying ki batrei belang ne nga penbiang bat bam bat mit bat sengi nang ta Kendai posan ying hang ne snong pen biang bet si pocket kau kawai ke ying. Sini san kilo. Ki dai kunta terter ki pan. Nang ta hasang riang ru sukit bet si kaling po sibit se kali. Mdei banga sukop. Dei kane ngai thu ke jing sisa. Te ka thong ka dei kane. Menta kane ngadon ka jing thmu. Pakane kamkut no tang haka jing le jonga. Dei kapateng kebanwan ka dei banyai.
Ai filahi kai ki khon ro.
Kata ki khun nang ta kata ka bangara bat ai ki wei ru ngam kwa malong ka ki juk menchwa ta tibuk pa ka sa pa la yap pa la kot ten re kan ka thong banga bu menta ka long ban nanga saki khun naki khun saki ne ki parlok nong rep baro maksudnat ne ki parlok nong rep ya ka hapo ka jingalam ne ka attribute ka ba ka don ka ne ka thong bat ka jing angnut baki priu baro ki de ban yokor ka.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.